If you are confused about choosing between Java and Golang, this video will help you make that decision. Today, most developers and programmers face the same question: should I continue with Java or should I switch to Go? In this video, we will break this down based on performance, memory, concurrency, ecosystem, and real world usage so that you can take a clear and practical decision. To understand difference between these two languages, we first need to understand why Java became so popular in the first place. Java was designed with one clear goal: write once, run anywhere. For big companies, this was extremely powerful. You could write code on one system, deploy it on another, and the JVM, which is Java Virtual Machine, would handle the rest. This is why large enterprises adopted Java heavily. Banking systems, payment gateways, ERP software, telecom systems. Java gave them three very important things. First, stability. Java code written 10 to 15 years ago still runs today. Second, a massive ecosystem. Frameworks like Spring made backend development structured and predictable. Third, strong hiring pipelines. Java interviews are very standardized. Companies know exactly what to test: DSA, OOPS, system design. However, when systems started scaling, some limitations of Java became very visible. Java applications were heavy, JVM startup time was slow, and memory usage was very high. In large distributed systems, managing threads and concurrency became very complex. You could still scale Java, but it required experience, tuning, and careful architecture. Around the same time, the industry itself started changing. Monoliths were breaking into microservices, applications were moving to the cloud, systems needed to start fast, scale quickly, and use less memory. This is where existing languages, including Java, started feeling slightly inefficient for certain use cases. This is exactly the problem Google was facing internally. Google was building massive distributed systems, thousands of services, heavy concurrency, network intensive loads. Existing languages were either too complex or too slow to compile and deploy. So Google designed Go with very specific goals: simple language, fast compilation, built-in concurrency, low memory footprint, and easy deployment. Golang keeps things simple on purpose with fewer language features, less abstraction, and more readable code, especially when large teams work together. Java traditionally uses OS threads, which are powerful but heavy. On the other hand, Go uses Go routines, which are lightweight and easy to scale. Java has improved with virtual threads, but Go was designed for concurrency from the start. Java performs very well in long running enterprise systems. On the other hand, Go applications usually start faster and use less memory, which works well for cloud native services. Java has a very large enterprise ecosystem, whereas Go's ecosystem is smaller but focused especially around cloud and infrastructure tools. So the main question is, which one should you choose? If your focus is DSA, interviews, and full stack application development, Java is a solid choice. But if your focus is backend engineering, cloud native systems, and scalability, then in that case, Go makes more sense. Languages are just tools. Strong engineers are defined by system understanding. So, I would suggest you to choose the language that aligns with your current goal. Learn it deeply, and over time, learning the other one becomes much easier.